that are cooked in a mixture of soy sauce, vinegar, and garlic. It is usually served as a snack. Sorbetes, a type of ice cream that is made with coconut milk and is sold by street vendors or push carts. Taho, a sweet snack made from a soft tofu, arnival or caramelized sugar syrup, and sago or tapioca pearls. It is usually sold by vendors shouting taho in the streets. Lumpia, a Filipino version of spring rolls that can be either fresh or deep fried and filled with meat, vegetables, or a combine of both. Betamax, cubes of coagulated pig's blood that are grilled and served on a stick. Adidas, grilled chicken feet that are marinated in a soy sauce and vinegar mixture. Chicharron, fried pork rinds that are crispy and crunchy. It can be eaten plain or dipped in vinegar. Kikiam, a Chinese-inspired snack made from ground pork and vegetables that are wrapped in bean curd skin and fried. siomai, a Chinese-inspired dumpling that is usually filled with ground pork, shrimp, and other ingredients. It is usually served with a dipping sauce made from soy sauce, calamansi juice, and chili. Okoy. This is a crispy shrimp fritter made with grated vegetables and shrimp. It is best eaten while hot and dipped in vinegar. Kamaru. Fried field crickets that are commonly eaten in the Pampanga region. They are usually seasoned with garlic and chili and are considered a delicacy. One-day-old chick. One of the famous finger foods, street foods in the Philippines is the so-called one-day-old chicks. This is one of the most popular street foods.